when your hopes have all been shattered, there's nowhere to turn.
Haha! Yes, it's me, Retro25, and I'm in a very ill mood, as you see. I haven't been on YouTube. Did a video the other week. It was my trip down to see John and all that. What funny story was, I'll tell you later. But got my brew. I'm feeling ill. I am tired. I still need to go and book my hotel for Birmingham. Yeah. For this place, the best place in the world. Yeah. First things first, nostalgic meetup. Yeah. It's the 15th of February, Saturday, at Manchester Piccadilly train station. If you're not getting to Piccadilly, then we'll meet up at Victoria, or we'll try and meet up somewhere else. Just contact the Facebook or contact me by private message. Yes, 2014 nostalgic meetup in Manchester. A couple of people are excited and talking to me now, but let's get on to the main thing. I'm not doing a review. I got 1, 2, 3 boxes to open. Okay, let's start with the orange one. I'm holding it this way because 3 is the magic number. Got scissors, cut away, falling off us, falling off us. Remember, you always cut away from you, as you see. I need the glue. Need to use the scissors. Itchy dude. Some shit. Ah, there it is. It's open. Foam. Paper. Sainsbury's. Don't work there. Or explains the orange. Chuck that away. Let's see what we got. Got Transformers Beast Hunters Vertebrake. Yeah, I've been looking forward for this one for ages. Happy to get that one. Thank you very much. Second package from Thailand. We got Transformers Go Shockwave. Yeah. Focus. So yeah. Oh, so what's in this one? I think I know what's in this one. Then been very well wrapped, this one. Oh. Well, actually all these came a couple of days to each other because I knew I was getting a couple of packages the last couple of months. Let's see what we got here. Bubble wrap. And we've got Transformers Beast Wars Moon. Been looking for that. That's expensive as well. Oh, one more thing. Oh, in here. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, yes, beautiful. Yes. You know you got King Poseidon from Transformers Beast Wars, not Beast Wars, Transformers Takara Master Force. I got Neptune. Let's just put it together. One. There's another foot. getting another foot. And feeties. Feeties. And we've got the sword. A beautiful, beautiful sword. Oh, I'm so happy that I've got this one. Yeah. The Transformers Beast Wars Neo God Neptune. So that's God Neptune from Beast Wars 2nd, Moon from Beast Wars 2nd, Shockwave from Transformers Prime, and looks better than the Hasbro one. A lot nice, a lot more to the screen show representation, and I've got the vertebrae. So this is my last beast that I needed, and this is Ratchet 25, feeling still under the weather. I don't know. With my cup of tea, and I can't wait till next week, where I will be going to see For the Dark World with Monkey. Then I'll probably get back to you on that. And Dave likes this video, so thank you for everyone that took part in that little. I think I should do another one. Yeah. Take care. I'm nearly on my 2,000 subscribers. I've got 10 more nearly to go. So till all of one, peace.
Heaven only knows what you might find.